General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right. Gotta put this in because my target was here. It's kind of choppy. It got chopped up. I wanted it to go here. Okay. Boom, that's done. That was just a follow-up for the pre-market. Still got to do today's stuff, which I don't know. It should be like a, like a fast button to get to some of these sub pages, but maybe it's a hotkey or something I don't know about. Okay. So did I not put the date on this? Mm-hmm. In here. It ain't no jobless claims. What was this? This the 23rd. Tomorrow's the 22nd. Today, what could I classify this as? It was kind of like an accumulation. And I engaged. I had medium confidence. The original plan was to sell above Asia high. Then we got the 15-minute displacement. Here. But this should have got me out. So conditions confirmed. Price delivery signature seen. I would have preferred to actually go to Target. What could have kept me out to say, all right, it's not going here? Well, me seeing it not get there immediately, that was a good sign. Is expansion playing out? No. Day expansion. I don't think. I think maybe Wednesday. Tuesday, how it was created in Asia. I don't think it'll stay. If it do, cool, but I don't think it will. No, no terminus hit today. Let's get this log. It's gonna be Nasdaq first. Asia created the high. We came down to the breakaway gap. Didn't show willingness to go higher. This is not a classic daily profile. Not a classic daily profile. It was just tacky. Maybe it was waiting for Netflix. It just didn't do anything today though. But even with Netflix earnings, you see like Asia's not doing anything. Okay. So now we have engineer liquidity here. This is just the bag that we came to. Shift. That's just the old high. I still think lower does make sense for now. And we come back up. Where can we find the bottom? Maybe down here. Where's fair value here? I would have to watch this opening price. I would want to sell somewhere above this. What day is this? Thursday. Home sales, and then Friday CPI. Um, Still leaning on the bearish side. Looking for sales above daily open price. Makes the most sense to target the target I was targeting today, which was, let's go here. It's actually look like it's gonna get there now. It's just a retracement. I think we can go even lower. I prefer for London to take Asia high first. Let's go to the daily. We got us an ugly gap here too. This is green. Yeah, that works. Let me get an alert here too, because I kind of like this level. It's an inefficiency. We can do a nice little wick here or something, and then leave and close below here, and then target here, and that'll be the idea. So I want to see a run over here between like London or New York. Fair value for selling. Okay. Run into the volume imbalance will be ideal since it is premium pricing. Yeah, I think that don't need that E. Let's go to silver. Silver had a cool little sale. These sales, they real little. You gotta be nimble because they're not lasting for a long time. Let's go here. Oh, this was the plan for silver. We didn't get the buy side run. It just melted. I still wanna sell that. Let's go here. Get the profile. Once out of delivery, London did all the good stuff, and it don't look like New York is giving the moves for silver. I think I'm gonna add GLD. I got a pencil here already. Okay. Know how London did not even retrace. Just one side of delivery. Really fast. Let's go to page 1. Okay, destroyed the breaker block. Kind of got a reaction at the order block. This was really fast. We didn't get the buy side run though, and we took out the target. Wow, what a delivery! That was everything we planned for Sunday, or really we planned it Monday. Got the targets and stuff, but I mean we really could go lower. Was saying that we should turn around. I think it's not gonna go down too far, but let's see if we can see something. Really fast drop. The logical idea here is a 50% retracement tomorrow. And a continuation lower. This might be the thing here. And we got these. The fibs is starting to line up. This is fair value too. I still want something to kind of fit my time. I want to trade in like a profile, but it's viable to look for a retracement. Let me see where's 50% here. Game box will work. This is the expansion. Where's the start of it? And put this in a range box. So 50% of the expansion is here. Give me a price note. Matter of fact, give me a fib first. PM. That'll work. So $50, $50.22. Cool little retracement objective, then continuation lower. This was the smart money reversal. This was when we finally broke. So this is our range that we swept from here to here. We tagged this symmetrical swing of that. One more swing is super low. I doubt it. Right here, previous month's high is going to be insane. Another swing of this, which is smaller than this. This will be fair value. I think this low here, after this, who's to say? Because we're getting into IP today, IP to ranges and stuff now. I don't think this low. Here close, maybe here. I think that's the lowest we can go. 46. After that is madness. What time frame is this? This is, yes. Put this at the bottom. Um, retracement day tomorrow. Target 50% of the expansion range. If we turn around fast, um, I'll look for previous month's high. Hold on, this is right here. Boom. What in the world? Oh, okay, it's backspace. That's a big ugly day. Um, that daily OB showed up for work. We do have us a 20 or 20 day. It's right here. And that's 43. That's a crazy number. That's a bank level. That's what the banks want to buy. The banks are crazy. We just wicked this. I'll keep this here, but I'll take this off to see if we retest this and use this as a level to go lower. Mm, tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow retracement should be a good opportunity to get in more sales. What in the dollar? What is the dollar doing? Okay, it's going back up. Cool. Okay. Yep. More sales. Let's go back to silver. We can do it over there too on the future side of things. Yep. Around 50% when Tuesday's range. It's fair value for selling. Go. Okay, this is a one-sided super ugly day. Look, this is the ugliest price action I ever seen. It's because the government shut down. Like the dollar is shut, and the president. That's what that was right there. Nothing burger. Damn price for EU. Let's look what it looked like on the hour. Okay, it went down, But still, look how choppy it is. Looks like we're going down even further. Would I sell this? I would sell a retracement of this. Mm-mm. This showed up for work. This might show up for work. Yeah, this is low resistance. We break this low. So technically I should be trying to sell this. I just don't like the way it looks. It doesn't look smooth. Hold up. We have OTE here, fair value here, 618 here, OTE here. So right around this green candle is where I should be able to sell. Look how ugly this candle is. But this was the last push up too. It's kind of significant because all these other candles are down closed candles. I wonder if we go up in here and do something interesting because this is now an inverse level. This fair value gap. It's a bullish fair value gap too from the looks of it. We close through it. We can retest this area and look for sales. I just don't like the way this chart looks. So I'm not going to trade it. There's no fair value gaps on it. That's a no. And that's an hour time frame. Um, there are no FEGs. And for the daily, close through this. We should change colors now, but it's all good. This is the overall draw. You notice how like it looks all like, oh, today was a beautiful day, but in reality, it was the tackiest day in history that printed this candle. Um, and I do like how we use this. I would sell a retracement into here, a dig into here, and a close back through 50% is actually cool for selling. Then let's put an alert here. So now we got our alert set on our swing stuff, and you don't need alerts for NASDAQ. NASDAQ will be the focus anyway. Bam. Make this green. Message is EU retraced. All right. All right. So retracement says logical to target parent bar low. So around above 50%. and the bearish FVG sell setup, and I'm jumping in. Boom. And then this, boom. Today was a trade day. Did the framework play out? No, it was choppy. Hold on. It was choppy. What did I learn about pattern narrative in myself? I was aware of the chop. And I was aware I had to stop engaging because of how the market wasn't picking a true direction. It was one of those days where it wants to make you wait. Yep. True. So the best thing to do is to come back and only take the setups that happen at the key times you want them to happen. Not waiting on the market all day. No. Well, I watch for tomorrow. Raid followed by 2022 model. Something cool. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.